Could Fujifilm really skip a generation and drop an X-Trans6 sensor straight into an X-Pro6? Today, we unpack the leaks, the whispers from reliable insiders, and what this upgrade would actually mean for photographers. I'll cover design, the rumored sensor and processor jump, autofocus and IBIS possibilities, the hybrid viewfinder evolution, and whether this camera is for purists or hybrid creators. Stick around because the autofocus and IBIS section near the end is where the X-Pro6 either becomes a niche dream or a market shaker. The X-Pro line has always been about tactile control and a rangefinder-inspired silhouette, and the X-Pro6 looks set to keep that DNA while refining the ergonomics. Imagine a slightly deeper grip for better balance, weather sealing for real-world use, and metal dials that click with satisfying precision. Fujifilm seems to be polishing the user experience, not reinventing it. Smoother control layouts, better button placement, and materials that promise longevity. If you love a camera that feels familiar in hand but behaves more modern on the inside, this is very promising. Here's where the rumors get exciting. A jump to X-Trans6 paired with an X-Processor 6 could bring noticeable gains in dynamic range, noise control, and high ISO performance. Fujifilm's color science has always been the secret sauce, and improved sensor tech would amplify film simulations while giving raw files more latitude for grading. That means richer JPEGs straight out of the camera and cleaner files when you push shadows. For portrait, street, and landscape shooters who care about color and tone, this could be a real step up. The hybrid viewfinder is one of Fujifilm's signature moves, and leaks suggest the X-Pro6 will refine this experience rather than compromise it. Expect faster switching between optical and electronic modes, sharper EVF overlays, and reduced lag. That means you keep the immediacy of an optical window for situational awareness, but gain the modern benefits of exposure previews and focus aids when you need them. For travel and documentary shooters, this balance is huge. Stay present with the scene while having the tools to confirm the shot. Autofocus improvements are rumored across the board: faster phase detection, better tracking, and stronger low-light performance. The real wildcard is in body image stabilization. If Fujifilm adds IBIS combined with stabilized X lenses, you get a powerful dual stabilization system that unlocks handheld low-light shooting and steadier video. That would transform the X-Pro line for hybrid creators who need both stills and motion from one body. But, and this is important, autofocus reliability and IBIS tuning will determine whether professionals can trust this in the field. If Fujifilm pulls off X-Trans6, processor gains, a smoother hybrid viewfinder, and reliable autofocus with IBIS, the X-Pro6 could be the best APS-C camera for creatives who value tactile control and modern performance. It will appeal to street photographers, travel shooters, and hybrid creators who want beautiful color and versatile performance in a stylish package. If you prioritize raw specs for video or absolute megapixel counts, other options might still lead. But for anyone who wants a camera that feels like a tool and looks like a statement, the X-Pro6 could be exactly what the system needed. So, are you Team Heritage or Team Upgrade? Drop your thoughts below. Which rumored feature would push you to upgrade? If this breakdown helped, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you do not miss the deep spec analysis when Fujifilm finally confirms the X-Pro6.